Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day. We are celebrating Mother's Day here in the UK. And we're going to cook roast lamb. Here's the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. Lamb shoulder, around 1 to 2 kilograms. We have some thyme, rosemary, bay leaf, paprika, garlic powder, garlic, cumin powder, ginger powder, obviously salt, some olive oil, lemon, and that's for the dressing, yogurt, honey, and mint. Let's mix the dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon of paprika, also teaspoon of garlic powder, ginger powder, another teaspoon, and cumin powder, another teaspoon. Of course, some salt. Mix together. For thyme and rosemary, just take the leaves out of the stem. Then roughly chop. After that, you can mix that in your dry ingredients. As you can see, I have pre-chopped garlic and I add 1 teaspoon. Now add some olive oil. Mix it again. Add some pepper. And that's the marination ingredients done. So we have here, this is the lamb shoulder, maybe around 1.5 to 2 kilograms with the bone in. Now we need to pour the marinade that we made earlier. Then rub it all over the lamb. After spreading the marinade all over the lamb, we will make small hole in the lamb. You simply do this by poking the lamb with your knife, as you can see. So now, you need to insert some garlic into the hole that we made earlier. This is to add more flavor to the lamb. In the same hole, just insert the rosemary as well. Before I put in the oven, I just add some chicken stock to add some more flavor. You can add lemon slices as well. Put them around. And don't forget the bay leaf. For the first 2 hours, normally I'll just put some aluminum foil. Oven is preheated already for 180 degrees. Now we wait for 2 hours. So, while the lamb is in the oven, we just make some dressing. This is optional, guys. I have some Greek yogurt, a bit of honey, and some mint. We just slice mint. This will give different flavor to the lamb. And like I said, this is optional only. After 2 hours, let's check. Go. So, before we put in the oven, let's start basting. Now let's put it back in the oven without the foil. Smells amazing. Color is perfect. This is what I'm aiming for. Let's try. There's a part. Ang sarap. Delicious. And it takes time to cook, but it's worth it. Let's try this. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching another video of Ariel's Kitchen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mabuhay. Thank you.